Hello world, this is Random Fix, and in this video today we're going to be replacing the dome light and also the trunk light here on this 2014 Honda Insight, and I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. And the reason you want to change out some of these lights is because with some of the LED lights, you get a lot less load and the battery does a lot better if you tend to leave the doors open. And the nice thing is you don't oftentimes burn up the contacts in there after many years of use, and they look cool. So this is my box for changing out LEDs, and I've changed out a lot of LED dome lights over the years, so you can buy these lights by the thousands for less than 10 cents a piece. And what I like to do is use a couple of tools, such as a plastic trim piece. I have a small needle nose pliers sometimes, some painter's tape in case the light really doesn't want to come out. I'll use this and I'll grab the light to do it, and a small little Phillips screwdriver if needed. So let's go ahead and change out those lights now. So whenever you're working around plastic in the headliner, you do not want to use any metal tools. So this includes a screwdriver with a piece of cloth around it, because it is still a screwdriver and you could oftentimes cause a lot more damage. And what I like to do is look around a little bit, and what I found out is towards the front of the car is normally the pop-out point. So I worked it for a few seconds and got the little tab right here and the other side off, and there it goes. And there's going to be my light. And after running this for about a minute, this is not touchable anymore, and this is the main reason I'm changing this out. Whenever you see excess heat, that's how you know you're wasting power. And I'm going to turn this off so it cools down. Since I'm waiting for the other light to cool down, I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing up here. And all you want to do is put the tool in just like I showed you, and this comes out. Hit the little clip, pull that light out, and now we can go ahead and go to our little green box here, grab the right light bulb, pop that in there, and slap this back. So in case you have a dome light that is actually installed inside the vehicle and you can't remove it, or it's really tucked away and you don't know how to get it out, this is where that painter's tape comes in really handy. Go ahead and remove a piece, wrap it around the light, and go ahead and pull on it, and it will pull straight out. And now all we have to do is find the right light and grab the right LED light bulb, and you want to just go ahead and just slide it into there. One thing with LED lights is they're polarity sensitive, so if you put them in backwards, they will not work. So in this case right here, I got it correct the first time, but if it didn't work, you want to go ahead and grab them and just switch them 180 degrees, and then you can go ahead and just plug them back in. Check out how cool that looks. And if we came here 10, 20, 30 minutes later, this LED light bulb would still be cool to the touch. So this is now cool to the touch, and you want to go ahead and pull it out just by yanking it out. And there is going to be my old dome light. And here's my old dome light. And this is the replacement bulb that I'm popping in right here with the 4 LEDs. And they make these with 12 LEDs, strips, and they're pretty cool and very, very easy to do. And they're very easy to put in, so you could grab whichever one you like, whether it's 4 LEDs, 12 LEDs. Go ahead, turn the switch on, and if it doesn't work, switch it 180 degrees, and voila, it is working. And check that out, guys. I can actually touch this. How cool is that? If this was a regular dome light again, my finger would be severely burnt right now, and I would be in some serious pain. and we are all done. All right, guys, so check that out. We changed out the dome light here, the trunk light, in less than 5 minutes, and this could potentially save your battery in the long run. I did this when I was in the car business, and what I found out after we started changing out the dome lights was we were replacing about 80% less batteries, and people were having a better experience. They actually liked getting in the car. It was a nice selling feature, and the best part was that little upgrade probably cost us less than $1 per car, and since we did it over and over, we were able to do it in just a few minutes, and people loved it. And if you guys got any questions, please comment down below. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys could definitely hit that subscribe button. You could do the same exact thing for the map lights here if your vehicle had them. You could do it for the vanity mirrors. You can go ahead and change out license plate lights right there. And there's a few things you do not want to change out. One of them is going to be the turn signals. Don't change those out unless you get ones with the actual built-in CAN bus, because if not, you're going to get an error on your computer. And you can also change out the reverse lights. That is definitely a cool little upgrade, and you can get this all done pretty quickly. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.